Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Lalu Prasad Yadav has made it clear that his son Tejasvi or any minister from his party will not resign over corruption charges despite coalition partner JDU issuing an ultimatum. The RJD Supremo said he would not be the one to end the Grand Alliance but rejected JDU's demand of putting all facts related to the corruption allegations into public domain, saying that everything his family owns was already out in the open. Lalu further went on to say, politically motivated CBI raids and filing of FIR can't be the ground for Tejasvi's resignation. We are facing attacks from all sides. BJP is behind this. We will expose them in Bhajapa Hatao Desh Bachao rally on August 27. Bihar's Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi has been named by CBI as an accused in its probe into the Land for Hotel scam case. When asked if JDU had put a precondition of Tejasvi's resignation for continuing the alliance, Lalu said, "I understand everything. No one can scare me. BJP is trying to destabilize our alliance, but let me be clear. I will never be the first to break up the alliance." JDU was quick to reiterate that they would not tolerate corruption. General Secretary KC Tyagi said that those who have been accused must come out clean in public. On Lalu's contention that mere filing of FIR can't be the grounds for seeking resignation, Tyagi said that CBI does a preliminary inquiry before filing of an FIR, so his logic does not hold ground. However, he also added that like Lalu Prasad Yadav, Nitish would be the last person to break the Grand Alliance. JDU has rammed up pressure on alliance partner RJD over the corruption case. The party's chief spokesman Sanjay Singh said that RJD should provide facts and not display arrogance of having 80 MLAs in the 243-member Bihar Assembly. Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan said that the Bihar Chief Minister should take a decision on his association with the RJD at the earliest, as Lalu Prasad could break away from the JDU to form a government of his own. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.